going to show you today Buffer, one of the most powerful tool for marketer who does marketing, okay, and who is in influencing marketing as well as who is content creator. All of you for this Buffer, okay. This app is absolutely crucial for using because of if you want to use just YouTube, you can probably use Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. There is a tons, every single social media connected with Buffer. And if you just go in the Buffer and schedule your post and select the channel where you want to share your post that you want to share, let's say, okay, I'm clicking on the post. So here is, this is Buffer. Now I'm using free mode. I haven't subscription yet, therefore limited channels I can add. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now I already added. You're seeing on the screen. So let's say you want to publish on YouTube. Okay, here is, the I click on the YouTube and YouTube became colorful, and others else is gray color. Okay, if you click on the next one, there will be colorful. A life there will be colorful as well too. So now your file must be in your computer, or you can download Buffer apps in your phone, doesn't matter. And let's say I'm just hypothetically showing you what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's say I'm going to show you this one, just a picture. Okay, so I talk about India. I just one of the group that I create from Facebook, and that is now 54k member in there. Okay, so let's say I'm going to writing about I create a social I create a Facebook group from scratch that yelled me every single day, every single day, without posting anything, without me posting anything, because without me posting anything, member does post, okay, and they do engage each other. I'm not there. Okay, member does post and they do engage each other. They do engage each other. Okay, so Grammarly, do download Grammar in your computer and improve your grammar in there. Okay, everything is perfect. Now if I go to the publish post, and here is YouTube doesn't YouTube, you cannot post a photo in YouTube. Okay, you need to post definitely a video in there. Okay, if I select YouTube in here, now it is becoming blue for posting. If you select, it will not be, because of photo is allowed in here, just Twitter and Instagram. Anyway, so I'm going to keep editing. Okay, select it as well too. Okay, YouTube must be a video. So if you have video in here, I have one screen recording, and okay, I select this one, just hypothetical purpose. Okay, and improve your grammar. And YouTube need a title in order to um, go ahead posting in there. Okay, I create a Facebook group, just copy the first initial part. Okay, it's just cutting out slightly. I just copy from this group section. Now I will paste into E here, and nothing else. It's a posting still. So see, video has been uploaded, and here is this loading, my network problem. And what we need to do is, now everything is done, short has been done. Now if we do click in here, okay, video need to be in here. Okay, I'm just uploading this one. So already uploaded this video. So now we need to choose a category, and everything is perfect. I don't know why it is not showing GUI. Wowly, we need to stop it. I don't know, but anyway, YouTube is rejected in here. We will just post in here. You can custom it, schedule post, share next, share now, anything you can do. So schedule a post. Today is 19, or not, today is 18. Now I want to post it into, now 10 17, I want to post into 11 now PM. Click the schedule, it's scheduling in here. So pretty simple and straightforward where it is gone, the social media, and 1 hour later it will be posted. Okay, pretty simple and straightforward.